Alright guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to change a battery on this FOB key. This is a smart key. This is Jeep and the Dodge is similar. So let me set up my camera and show you guys exactly what you're going to need. You're going to need a screwdriver. I have this big fat screwdriver because the reason is it has a bigger tip. Alright, so you need a flathead screwdriver. A pick will work, or anything that's going to poke out a battery from the FOB itself. Alright, so guys, let's get to this, and please subscribe my channel. Alright guys, so simply you got this FOB key, the smart key. In the back you're gonna see this little switch. You could just push this up and you're gonna pull out this key. Alright, so this key comes out, just put it to the side. Then you're gonna be looking right here. Alright, you're gonna take your flathead screwdriver. You're not gonna poke this, but you're gonna poke this. This one is rather harder than any other FOB keys that I have changed battery on, because they made a, I believe this is a waterproof casing, and I have a big screwdriver, so it's easy for me. And all you're gonna do is you're gonna put a screwdriver in there and twist it, and this thing should open up, and you should be able to open this thing up. It's like a weatherproof hard case. And just be careful with this part. Just put this to the side. You don't want nothing to do with that. You don't want to put no water. Make sure it's dry, and you do not touch this little spring fella here, because you get that out of there, it's going to be very difficult for you to get that back together. So simply, this battery, you take your pick and you pull up the battery a little bit, and it's going to come out just like that, and the positive goes down is that way, and you also will see a positive sign in the bottom. Alright, so this battery is a little thicker than the other batteries. The size is 20, let me get that into the camera, 2032, and I have one over here. Let me get this one and I'll show you. You can get this thing for like probably $4, $3-4 bucks from a lot of parts stores, or even a Home Depot sells this, and other electronic stores. Alright, so I'll do that later, but let me show you how to put this back together. So the positive goes back, and you're gonna just simply get the battery in there. It's a 2-minute job. You can do it. All you need is the proper tools, and you're gonna take your the smart key. So I got the battery in there, and you're gonna take the top and bottom lid, you're gonna put them together, and you just squeeze. Alright, very hard. Don't squeeze on the switches because you might damage it. Alright, so you squeeze this really hard. Alright, this thing, like I said, it's not easy like the rest of the FOB keys. And you put it back together. Let me squeeze a little bit more on this side. Alright guys, there you go. I have it back together, and you're gonna take your key and you're gonna put the key back in, and it should snap in. Alright, after that you can just test it. You see that? You hear that? Unlocks, locks. Alright, thank you for watching guys. Subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know. Alright, bye bye.